For our next problem, let's perform the indicated operations in proper order. So we're going to subtract these two numbers. We have to multiply these two. We're going to add that result to this multiplication. So the first thing we can do will be these two multiplications. So we have 1 3/10 minus 9 5/10. Now what happens here? Well, we have a negative times a negative. We'll make this a positive 2 5/10. Here we're going to have a positive times a negative number, so this will be negative. 3 times 5/10 will give me 1 5/10. So now all we have is addition and subtraction in our problem. So let's go from left to right. So if we say 1 3/10 minus 9 5/10, that'll give us negative 8 2/10. And we'll bring down the rest of our problem. So now let's take negative 8 2/10 plus 2 5/10. If we add that, the difference between these two is 5 7/10. Now, what sign do you want it to be? Well, you want it to be the sign of the larger of these two. Well, since this is the larger number, we're going to make it negative 5 7/10. And then we'll bring down our negative 1 5/10. Well, you might want to rewrite this. So let's rewrite this as negative 5 7/10 plus negative 1 5/10. So since both of our sign numbers are negative, we can add them and get 7 2/10. And since they're both negative, our result will be negative. So simplifying this with our order of operations gives us a result of negative 7 2/10.